Good morning, 6th class. We are starting exercise 11.2. First question is, the side of an equilateral triangle is shown by L. Express the perimeter of equilateral triangle using L. Now you know what is equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. This is an equilateral triangle and the side is given. He is saying the side of an equilateral triangle is L. If this is L, so these two sides will be also L. Now you have to find the perimeter of equilateral triangle. First of all, you will write here side of equilateral triangle is L. Now you have to find perimeter of equilateral triangle. So perimeter of an equilateral triangle will be, the rule is 3 multiply sides. Okay? So 3 multiply, what is side? Side is L. 3 multiply L. I told you earlier also, when you multiply by constant and variable number, then it will come like this, 3L. So this is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Move on, second question. The side of a regular hexagon you know in 6 sides. In hexagon there are 6 sides. If there is written regular hexagon, regular means all 6 sides are equal. Okay, equal in length. Regular means equal. Is denoted by L. Now again he is saying the side of a hexagon is L. If this is L, then all sides will be L because this is regular hexagon. Now express the perimeter of the hexagon using L. In this question you have to find perimeter of hexagon. So side of, you will write a regular hexagon. It is L. Okay. Now you have to find perimeter of regular hexagon. Now how many sides is perimeter? 6 sides and all sides are equal, so formula should be 6 into side. Side is L, 6 into L will be 6L. So this is the perimeter of hexagon. Students, when you will on this module, you have to use your earphones. Okay. Now move on the third question. Third question is, a cube has 6 faces and all of them are identical spheres. Okay? The length of edge of a cube is L. Find the total length of edges of cube. Now you know what is cube. Cube is 3D shape. Okay? Now this cube has 6 faces and all of them are identical sphere. Each face is in the shape of sphere and all faces are equal to each other in a cube. So if all faces are cube and all faces are of sphere, so it means all sides are also equally cube. He is saying the length is L. If this is L, then all sides will be L. So you have to find total length of edges. Now you will write here length of a cube is L. Now you have to find total length of edges of a cube. Now how many edges in a cube? There are 12 edges in a cube. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you will count it, there will be 12. So it will be 12 into L. Why? Because all edges are equal, so we are multiplied by one side. It will be 12L. So this is the total length of edges of a cube. Fourth question. AB is the diameter of the circle and PC is the radius. And radius value is given. Radius is R. In this question, radius of a circle is given, that is R. He is saying you have to express the diameter in terms of radius. You have to show diameter here. Yani it means you have to find diameter. So what is the formula of diameter? You know that diameter is the double of radius. है ना? So formula of diameter is 2 multiply radius. So here 2, what is radius here? R. So instead of radius we will put here R. It will be 2R. It means this is the diameter double of radius. Okay. Now we are starting exercise 11.3. Second question is, which out of the following are expressions with numbers only? I told you what are numbers. Number means counting numbers. You have to find out expressions with numbers only. There should be no variable. Okay? First question, y plus 3. Here is variable. So this is not expression with number only. Here also z is variable. This is also not expression with number. Now in this C part there is no variable, only numbers are there. So it means this is the expression with numbers only. This is also expression with number only, no variable is there. Here is variable, so it is not. Here is also variable, so it is not. In this G part, there is also variable P, so this is also not. So this is the expression with numbers only. Now come on the third question. Third question is identify operations. Now I told you which operations: plus, minus, multiply and divide. These operations you have to write here. You have to find which operations are coming between expressions. Here in first case z plus 1, what operation is there? Addition. So you will write here addition. In this expression which operation is there? Subtraction. So you will write here subtraction. And in this again addition, plus is there, addition operation is there. Here subtraction operation is there. So you will write here subtraction. Okay. Now in B part, 17 and y. Which number is there between? Multiply if you know if one variable and one constant number is coming together and there is no sign between these. So but which sign we will put here? Multiply. It means here multiply is there. So you will write here multiplication operation is there. And here if any question is written like this, it means that is division operation. So you will write here division operation is there. Here again multiplication. Now in this C part 2y, first of all check here. Here is multiply now, and in this expression two operations are there now. There is multiply and there is addition. So you will write here multiplication and addition because two operations are in one expression. Now check with this expression. Again multiplication and subtraction. So you will write here multiplication and subtraction. Now D part, in this expression only multiplication is there. So you will write here multiplication. In next expression there is multiply and addition. We will not use this because it is coming on first place. Okay? So we will check here multiply and addition. So you will write here multiplication and addition. And in third case again multiplication and subtraction. Multiplication and subtraction. So you have to identify only operations and write it. morning 6th class. This is the fourth question of exercise 11.3. Give expression. Expression means you have to write an algebraic expression. First is 7 added to P. 7 added means plus 2P. 7 is adding in P, so it will be 7 plus P. This is the expression. This is called algebraic expression. Next is 7 subtracted from P. Now you know that in subtraction what is written after from, you have to write that on first number. So it means P minus 7. So this is the algebraic expression. Next is P multiplied by 7. So 7 multiplied by P. What will come? 7 P will come. If there is no sign between constant and variable, then there will be multiplied. Next, P divided by 7. P divided by 7. You can write this expression like this also, or you can write like this also. P divided by 7. 7 subtracted from minus n. Again, this number will come first. Minus m and 7 is subtracted from this. So, minus m minus 7. This minus m subtracted, then 7. Now, F part is minus P multiplied by 5. Minus P multiplied by 5. So, it will be minus 5P. When you are writing, when you are multiplying number and variable, put number first, then write value. Minus P divided by 5. Minus P divided by 5. Next, P multiplied by minus 5. P multiplied by minus 5, it will be minus 5P. Now fifth question again, give expressions. In this question also you have to give expressions. 11 added to 12. It means 11 added in 12. So this is the expression. B part, 11 subtracted from 12. 12 में से 11 subtract करना है, so 12 minus 11. Next is 5 times y, to which 3 is added. 5 times. Now what is the meaning of times? Times means multiply. 5 times y means 5y and added 3 plus 3. So this is expression. Now next, 5 times y, from which 3 is subtracted. 5 times y means 5y. ठीक है? From which मतलब इसमें से 3 is subtracted. Subtract the 3. So this is the algebraic expression. Next, E part, y is multiplied by minus 8. Y is multiplied by minus 8. So it will be minus 8y. Next, F part, y is multiplied by minus 8 and then 5 is added to result. So first of all multiplied, y is multiplied by minus 8. It will be minus 8y. Now then 5 is added to result. This is the result and add 5 in this. This is the algebraic expression. G part, y is multiplied by 5 and the result is subtracted from 16. This multiplied result you have to subtract from 16. It means 16 will come first because it is written after from. From 16 you have to subtract result of this. It means y is multiplied by 5. It will be 5y. So this result is subtracted from the 16. Now H part of fifth question. Y is multiplied by minus 5 and the result is added to 16. So multiply y multiplied by minus 5. Minus 5 into y and result is added to 16. So it will be minus 5 plus 60. Okay class, now we are starting exercise 11.4. Look at the first question, A part. Take Sarita's present age to be y years. He is saying we let assume that Sarita's present age is y years. ठीक है, यानी सरिता अभी y years की है. So first part is what will be her age 5 years from now. Means from now means अब से 5 साल के बाद सरिता की एज कितनी होगी. ठीक है, प्रेजेंट एज कितनी है उसकी. What is the present age? Y years. After 5 years, we will add 5 in her present age. It means it will be y plus 5 years. Like I am giving you one example. Like assume today your age, present age is 12 years. ठीक है, and I am saying after 5 years what will be your age. So what you will do, you will add 5 in 12 plus 5 17. It means after 5 years you will be 17. It means you have to add 5 years in present age. Now in third part he is asking what was her age 3 years back. Back means now अब आपको पीछे मूव करना है. 3 साल पीछे आपकी एज क्या थी. So 3 years back you was younger, आप छोटे थे, तो you will subtract 3 years from your present age. ठीक है, तो it will be y minus 3 years. This is like I am giving one example. If today your age is 10 years, present age, so 3 years back it will be 10 minus 3 7. So you have for back you have to subtract 3 years from present age. Now third part is Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. What is the age of her grandfather? Now you have to tell the age of grandfather. Look at this line. He is saying her grandfather 6 times her age. What is the age of Sarita? Y. And 6 times of y. It means you have to do 6 times of her present age. So it will be 6y years. So her grandfather age is 6 times her age. Now fourth part, grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. So what is the grandmother's age? Now you have to tell her grandmother's age. Now grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. Grandfather से 2 साल छोटी है. So what is the age of grandfather? 6y. So when I will subtract 2 years from 6y, then we will get grandmother's age because she is younger, and for younger we have to subtract, and she is younger than grandfather. So we will write here grandfather age, that is 6y, and we will subtract 2 from the age of her grandfather. So it will be the age of her grandmother. Okay. Now fifth part is Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. What is her father's age? Now you have to tell her father's age. For this he is saying Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. Now what is the Sarita age? That is y years. It is given 3 times Sarita's age. Means 3y and more than 5. 5 more than means plus. You have to add plus. So this is the age of her father. 3 times of Sarita's age more than 5. So these all are the part of A part. Now we are starting here B part. B part is the length of rectangular hole is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth. What is the length if breadth is b meters? The value of breadth is given. You have to find the value of length. What is breadth? Breadth is b meters. ठीक है? Now you have to find length from here. So for length we say, look at this line, 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth. It means 4 meters less than 4 मीटर आपने कम करनी है, 3 टाइम्स का ब्रेथ को 3 टाइम करके उसमें से 4 मीटर कम करनी है. तो 3 टाइम्स का ब्रेथ इज b, तो 3 टाइम्स विल बी 3b एंड 4 मीटर्स लेस देन, उसमें से 4 मीटर्स लेस कर देनी है. सो दिस इज द लेंथ. नाउ लुक एट this part, C part. A rectangular box has height at centimeter. Its length is 5 times the height and breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Find length, breadth. ठीक है? Now length, breadth and height is given. It means this box is in cuboid shape. ठीक है? So we have only height value. We will write here height is h centimeter. Height is h centimeter. First of all, we will find length. For length, it is written, length is 5 times the height. It means if we will do 5 times the height, then we will get length. Height is h, do 5 times of height. It will be 5h. So this is the length. Now you have to find breadth also. Write here breadth. For breadth we say breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. It means जो breadth है वो length से 10 centimeter छोटी है. तो what is the length? 5h. So we will subtract 10 from this because 10 centimeter less than the length. Length से हम 10 centimeter कम कर देंगे. So this is the breadth. ठीक है? You have to make algebraic expression like this.